All right, we're gonna lock the door. You hit the Schlage button, hear it activate, turn it, it's locked. You wait till it turns off. Now this knob just spins because it's not activated, okay? Now we're gonna put in the code. You hear it activate and you can unlock it. Do it one more time. Schlage, lock. Now it's unactivated. Now this knob just spins because it won't let you in, right? So we're gonna put in our code again. You can hear it activate and now you can unlock it. Really simple. Now, to operate the key, this is actually a two-handed operation, but you put the key in, you turn it until the key goes inwards toward the lock. See how it slides in? Now, once that slides in, you can turn the knob left and right to lock and unlock it, okay? Now to get the key out, you pull the key like this and you just turn the key till it comes out. Now you can hold this knob with the other hand, which I can't do because I'm filming, to try to get the key out, but that's how that works. The key has to sink in to be able to activate the lock, but it works perfectly fine. Let's try it again. Schlage, lock. Now we're gonna hit the code, unlock. Put the key in until it sinks in. Turn it till it sinks in. Works perfect. Alrighty.